ॐ अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबन्धो जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिकान्त राधाकान्त नमोस्तुते। तप्तकाञ्चन गौराङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। ॐ वृन्दावै तुलसीदेव्यै प्रियायै केशवस्य च कृष्णभक्त्यै प्रदे देवी सत्यवत्यै नमो नमः। भक्ताविहीना अमरालक्ष्मी सुंदर शिखंड शेखर स्मरास मुरली मनोहर राधिका रसिक कृपा निधि सप्रिया चरण किंकरें कुरु संविदा दशंतिनांग विभो प्रार्थये ब्रजमेन्द्र नंदना अस्तु मोहन तवाति वल्लभा जन्म जन्मनि मदेश्वरी प्रिया। शिरूपमंजरी करार्चित पाद पद्म कृष्ण भुजार्पितमस्तकाय हा मुदुत कनक गौरी पदारविंदम सनवहानि सनकैस्तवकैं करिष्ये। पदाब्जोस्तवेना वरदाश्रमेव नन्नाथ कदापि समय किल देवी जाचे सखायते मम नमस्त नमस्त नित्यं दस्सायते मम रसस्तु रसस्तु सत्यम्। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा 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 Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So, first of all, offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Gurupad Padma, Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtotara Sadasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtotara Sadasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtotara Satimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Gauranga Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rakashidhar Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis, and presented all of my respectful guest. I'll not take too much of your time. All you spoke very nicely and glorified about Srimad Srila Raghunath Das Goswami's life history and his contribution. And especially today is very super excellent auspicious day. Just you heard Nityananda Prabhu mercifully chastised to him also. Chastised to Raghunath Das Goswami. And also Nityananda Prabhu told, I will give you punishment. What is the punishment? Vaishnava Seva. What is my fault?
Want to meet with Mahaprabhu.
What is my fault? Then Nityananda Prabhu told, you are thief. So I have to give the punishment? Thief. What did I steal? Kya chori kiya?
He tried to stay.
He tried only.
He's actually stayed.
Nityananda Prabhu told, you tried to steal my buried the jewels of my heart. And make the clap. What is the jewels of the heart of Nityananda Prabhu?
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
Every Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Nishyananda Prabhu, and also all you told very nice Harikatha. For this regard, Nityananda Prabhu told, I will give you punishment. What is the punishment? Vaishnava Seva. Well, how will serve Vaishnava? Then you feed Vaishnava. Understand? Well, how you क्या सेवा करने का? How will you feed with Vaishnavas? And okay, you feed. Very nice. Dadhi chida. Dadhi means yogurt. And chida means? And so today also is called Dadhi Chida Mahotsav. And Raghunath Das Goswami. In this way, he served Vaishnavas. Morning I also told about this celebration Utsav of Raghunath Das Goswami fulfill all the desires of Nityananda Prabhu and Sachinandana Gaur Hari. Very nice Hari Katha. I again not repeat same Katha. Because most of the all were same. already you heard. Morning I told, then Nityananda Guru told, other devotees also. Very nice way to do this with symbols. Among of the 6 Goswamis, Raghunath Das Goswami is a prominent Rupanuga Vaishnava. He always following the footsteps of Rupa Goswami. Morning I told. Gaudiya Vaishnava, they are only one aim and object, how to one pointed with Srimati Radhika and serve to Srimati Radhika under guidance of Srila Rupa Goswami or Rupa Manjari. For this regard, Narottam Das Thakur in his Prem Bhakti Chandrika glorified about Rupa Goswami. Sri Chaitanyam Manobhishtam Sthapitam Jano Bhutale Sayam Rupa Kadamajjam Dadadi Sapadantikam. Rupa Goswami Pada, who fulfilled all the desires of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. When Rupa Goswami Pada will give me shelter, his lotus feet. Because Gaudiya Vaishnava is thinking Sthat Srimati Radhika under guidance of Rupa Manjari. So, Rupa Goswami, Raghunath Das Goswami and Jiva Goswami Pad, morning I told, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave all his treasure of heart to Rupa Goswami. And Rupa Goswami also gave all his treasure heart to Srila Jiva Goswami Pad and Raghunath Das Goswami. So for this, all our Gaudiya Vaishnava want to become Rupanuga Vaishnava. What do you say? Rupanuga. In our Bhakti Siddhanta Prabhupada, Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rakha Sridhar Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, Srila Gurudeshwar Nayan Goswami Maharaj, all our Guru Vargas, this is the aim and object of this. They are called Rupanuga Acharya. And especially Raghunath Das Goswami, he is called Prayojan Acharya also. Srila Sanatana Goswami Pad, he is called Samandha Pradata Acharya. Or Srila Rupa Goswami Pad, he is called also Avidya Acharya. Avidya process, how to enter in our supreme goal. And Raghunath Das Goswami is called Prayojan Acharya. In this way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave all his things and in all his followers. In this way, step by step, how to perform bhajan and sadhana. Just to have. In this Kali Yuga, there are no any other process attend to abode of Lord. Kali Yuga mein kevalo naam adhara sumeru sumeru naraha utarihi para. Tulsidas ji, Ramcharit Manas very clearly explained. In this Kali Yuga, there are no any other process attend to Lord or highest perfection. Only Naam Sankirtan. What is that? Naam Sankirtan. Hare Namo, Hare Namo, Hare Namiva Kevalam. Kalu Nasteva, Nasteva, Nasteva Gatiranatha. There are any other process. By the performing karma, jnana, yoga, austerity, pronunciation, you cannot attend to abode of Lord. Only Nam Sankirtan. Because every yugas, the different process how to attain the abode of Lord. That is called Yuga Dharma. Yuga Dharma is the process of particular age. Satta Yuga, people they perform meditation. Kitaja dhyato Vishnum Tretayang jajate makai. Dapare Puricharjan or Kalu Tat Hari Sankirtanam. This is the process. Srimad Bhagavatam gives evidence. In Satta Yugas, people they perform meditation. Then, because in the age of Satta Yuga, the people they also alive 100,000 years. Kali Yuga, how many years we are living? Maximum 100, not 200. 70, 80, 90, then finish. 100 years, very rare. Who is here 100 years? Raise one hand. 100 years? You? No. 90? Who is 90 years old? Also no. 80 years? Maybe. But also very, very?
70.
And? Okay, 70, okay. Kali Yugas. Or Satta Yuga to 1,000 years, they alive. And they meditate also to Lord. Kali Yuga.
100,000.
100,000 years. Tretang jajate mukhi. In Treta Yuga, people they alive how many years? 10,000. 10 less. And they perform fire sacrifice. Kali Yuga, very difficult to perform fire sacrifice. You cannot get all kinds of also ingredients, one coming another. You have to do this. Dapare Paricharja. And Dapar Yugas, people also alive, again 10 less. 10,000 to 10 less, how many? 1,000 years. And they worship to Lord also. Or Kali Yugas, how many years you can stay in this matter? Alive? Maximum 100 years. And 100 years very difficult also. So Kali Yuga is giving the concession card. Okay, chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Kali Yuga में केवल नाम आधारा सुमेरु सुमेरु नरह और करी पार. Kali Yuga नाम संकीर्तन. Very simple. There are no any other person. Very simple. I chant Hare Krishna. And morning I told, eating, sleeping, anytime you can chant holy names. Nam namakari bahuda nija sarva shakti strarvita nimita smarana nakalo etadrishi tava kripa bhagavan mami gopi durdaiva disha ajunu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he did not write any Grantha books. Just he recited 8 verses. That is called Shikshastakam. But the first sloka of Shikshastakam, everything is there. That means all the waters of ocean are there. One small jar. You know? Cheto darpana marjanam. Are you darpana? Darpana is mirror. Cheto darpana marjanam. Bhava mahadavari nirvapanam. Sriya kaira chandriya vitaranam. विद्यावधू जीवनम् आनन्दमुदीवर्धनं प्रतिपदं पूर्णमृतस्वादनं सर्वात्मस्नानं परमं विजयते श्रीकृष्ण संकीर्तनम्. Everything is there. Following I'm saying this, how is beautiful this. Nam Sankirtan. All Veda, Purana, Upanishad, everywhere glorifies Nam Sankirtan. Just to once chant holy names, how is it powerful. Aho Shapachata Gariyan Jade Jihagre Bhartate Namattu Bam. Srimad Bhagavata ki sabhi. Even the dog eat are very low grade people. Just once, Sakrit mane, once chant holy name. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Then all your simple automatically destroyed. Ahovato, Shapachat Guriyan. And one who chants one holy names, he is higher than Samavedi Brahmana. Because in this Kali Yuga, Lord mercifully invested all his potency in his holy name. Not do anything. Because in this Kali Yuga, we cannot prepare. Just to meditate, O Lord, close your eyes, automatically sleepiness will come. Coming or not? If sleepiness comes, then mind automatically traveling around the world without ticket, without passport or without visa. Again coming and again also going. Listen, no need go to by ticket. Air ticket, no need. No need stamp visa. And
No immigration problem.
no immigration.
Visa problem.
Nothing. Mind always you are traveling. How possible, Kali Yuga, you meditate to Lord? Tell me. Possible? Very difficult. So saying this, Kali Yuga not possible. People are trying these things. Many yoga, they are doing these things. Asana, pranam, dhyana, dharana, and samadhi. They are doing this, but very difficult. So far, the Shastra saying this Kali Yuga, Nam Sankirtan. Very. Well, how chant holy names? Anytime. And sleeping, chant. Lay down on your bed. And to chant. There are no necessary and sit on the asana. Padmasana. Very simple. Chant. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. There's one Brahmana, Ajamila. He was very wretched, fallen. But he just gave his son's name, Narayan. What name? Narayan. Chant. What is his name? Narayan. Look, he attained to abode of Lord, Vaikuntha. And Ajamil Katha, Srimad Bhagavata. Naam, how is it powerful? Here we say they are also Hindi, they are writing here. Sri Kasi Vishwanath. Sri Kashinath Vishwanath Mandir Dham. Look this. I tell you very nice, beautiful this story also here. There was one Brahmana.
he worshipped Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva here?
Yes.
You see or not? So to,
And behind you.
huh? That is not a worship.
Nataraj.
Nataraj Shiva. This is Vishwanath Shiva. Kashi Vishwanath. Would have to look up? Very nice. Okay. That Brahmana, many years worshipped Lord Shivji, and he did not ask anything. Once his daughter marriage ceremony needs some money. Then he asked Lord Shiva, please give me some money. Money is honey better than sunshine. So he asked Lord Shiva, give some money. Then Vishwanath ji, Lord Shiva, you go to Vrindavan. My best friend Sanatana Goswami is there on the bank of Jamuna River. He has lot of wealth of money. You go there, he will give me. That Brahmana, he came from Kashi to Kashi, understand? Benares. Then he came in Vrindavan and asked the people, who is Sanatana Goswami? Then Brajavasi told, there is Madan Mohan Ghera. If you go Vrindavan, you see, that one place is called Madan Mohan Ghera, that place name. That, and he came and he saw. First he told, how possible this? And Sadhu will give me money. Because Sanatana Goswami Padan completely a renounced person. Understand? Nothing. They are putting tilak, kanthimala, and one japamala, and chanting holy name. Very similar chanting Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. That Brahman is seated in front of Sanatana Goswami Path. Then after a few minutes, Sanatana opened his eyes and asked, who are you? Where have you come from? Then that Brahmana, he told, I have come from Vrindavan. Where? Kashi, Benares. Why have you come here? What is the reason? And that time Brahman told, yes, Shivji sent me to you some gift, some money. Because my daughter marriage ceremonies, for this regard I have need. And Shivji also sent me. Listen very carefully. When that Brahmana uttered the name of Shivji, then Sanatana Goswami Pad's heart melted. Tears rolling down. Because Sanatana Goswami Pad and Shivji has so much friendship mood, love and affection. If you go Vrindavan, where is Sanatana Goswami Pad? Very close to Shivji there. Everywhere. If you go Govardhan, and if you go Giriraj, Govardhan, you can see also. That is called Chakleshwar Mahadev there. On the bank of Manasi Ganga. If you go Vrindavan, Bankhandi Mahadev is there also. Gopeshwar Mahadev is there. Sanatana Goswami Pad, he performed bhajan and sadhan. Madan Mohan Ghera or Gopeshwar Mahadev in this side. Sanatana Goswami Pad, every day he used to go meet with Shivji. When Sanatana Goswami Pad little bit sick, cannot. Then Shivji himself, came from Gopeshwar Mahadev to Bankhandi Mahadev. Then also met together. So on this house. So first this regard, when Sanatana Goswami Pad heard the name of Shivji, then his heart melted. Shivji is Mahabhagavat. Vaishnavana Yatha Sambhu. Someone is Shivji. Shivji is very near and dearest of Lord also. And he pure Vaishnava, Suddha Vaishnava. There are many Vaishnavas, but Shivji, topmost. So Srimad Bhagavatam mentions this sloka. Vaishnavanang Yatha Sambhu, Nimnanang Yatha Ganga, Purananam Idanam Tatha. There are many Puranas, 18 Puranas. But Srimad Bhagavatam, topmost. There are many rivers, holy rivers in India. But topmost holy river, that is called Ganga. So Shivji. So Sanatana Goswami asked, oh, Shivji sent you to you? And you want money? Well, yes. Sanatana Goswami Pad very humble, he told. Go nearby one, what is it called? Dustbin, no?
Rubbish.
Garbage place. And people are throwing the garbage. Dustbin. Sanatana Goswami Pad told, go. And that place, one very valuable stone you will get. That is called touchstone. What you will get? Touchstone. That is Sanskrit word. That is called Parshamani. What do you have? Parshamani. Parshamani, understand? Yes. The stone touch the iron, iron transfer in gold. Yeah. Then the Brahmana, he searched. Then he found that touchstone. Then he touched one small iron. Then they transfer in gold. You want or not?
Yeah.
This is true. Yes. There is also this. There is very nice story. That's
Story of the Shiv.
Shivji.
Shiv is not
You put the Shivji. Look at it. Very nice people there. That's for faith. And that Brahmana, he took that that's very happy. And then he proceeded to Banaras, Kashi. And they go, in my house, all the iron transfer in gold. So I will arrange my daughter's marriage very nicely. But on the way, he was thinking, why this renowned person Sanatana Goswami? He threw this stone and persimmon, and he chanting something. Why? What does he want? Then again he returned back and asked Sanatana Goswami Pad, why did you throw this very valuable stone? Everybody wanted, na? You want? Everybody want? Also.
Yes.
You want or not?
No trouble with this one.
That's mine.
Huh?
If we have it, we can build a big temple.
Big temple. This is true. And now we say this is good. But when you get,
Only jewelry.
that is you depend on you. That is true. We'll see that time. Now we are saying if I have a lot of money, then I will build the temple. But Kali Yuga also very difficult. And who will maintain the temple? First question.
Sometimes build.
Huh?
Build, yeah, that's common.
Build, you can build a temple. Well, how to maintain? Who will stay there? Only a pigeon. Very difficult to find out. Brahmachari. Difficult or not? How do you guess? Temple, you can build temple. This is true. Very difficult. And so much headache. He brought one, what is it? He brought one brahmachari. Then after 3 days, well, I'm going back.
Yes, 2 days.
Today.
Later.
Huh? This is true. Not so easy to maintain. Indian people, they are doing this. They hire the brahmanas, the other people, they are doing this.
Paid job.
Pardon?
Paid job. Like
Paid a job these years.
salary.
Giving the salary, this.
Mobile phone.
And mobile phone, if you give also what is called. Many things you will give, then will be stay.
Bank account.
Huh? Kali Yuga, not so easy. This is true or wrong? A mission good or not? Then if I get money and build very nice, beautiful temple. So Gurudev Nan Goswami Maharaj, he told, I build the temple on your heart. Jai Srila Gurudev ki. Bhakti Thakur sing this one. Mama mana mandire raha niside Krishna Murari, Krishna Murari. Mama mana mandire raha niside Krishna Murari, Krishna Murari, Krishna Murari, Krishna Murari. Mama mana mandire raha niside Krishna Murari, Krishna Murari. Hey Krishna, hey Murari, Govinda, will you stay in the temple of my heart, Hridaya Mandir. First make the temple in your heart. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself told us, Aner mon mon, mor mon Vrindavan, mone bone এক করি জানি, তাহাতে তোমার পাদোদয় করো যদি উদয়, তবে তোমার পূর্ণ কৃপা মানি। First make that, or very nicely build the temple in your heart. Mana mandir. Mama mana mandire rahan isidin Krishna Murari, Krishna Murari. Hey Krishna Murari, you always stay in my temple of heart. Hridaya Mandir. This is true. So now coming in this way, your desire is very nice, good. Okay. So now coming this the Brahmana again, he returned back to Sanatana Goswami Pad and he asked, why did you throw this valuable touchstone? And what you are doing here? Then Sanatana Goswami Pad told, listen, this touchstone will give you money, this gold, these things. But try to understand, wealth is the perpetual source of all kinds of distress and unhappiness. Nitya Bhaktivedanta Saraswati Maharaj in his purport very clearly explained. In this material, all kinds of things are giving the unhappiness. You have been then automatically mind disturbed. Disturbed or not? How to maintain the temple, how to do the brahmachari. There is many problems. So for this regard, our Goswamis, they did not build any temple. They performed bhajan and sadhan under the tree in Vrindavan. One night, under one tree, another tree. Because they realized all the trees of Vrindavan, they are the witness of Radha Krishna's sweet pastimes. They realized these things. वृंदावन को वृक्ष को मरम ना जाने कोई, डाल डाल और पात पात में राधे राधे होय. All the trees of Vrindavan, what they are chanting? Radhe, 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 Radhe. Not doing anything. They felt pang of separation from Srimati Radhika. Radha Karavachita Pallava Vallari, Radha Padanka Vilasita Madhurastali ke, Radha Jaso Mukha Matta Khagavali ke, Radha Vihara Vipinam Ramatang Manome. And Prabhupada Saraswati, very nicely glorified. In Vrindavan, you go. Everywhere you see very nice and golden creepers. That creepers planted by Srimati Radhika's lotus hand. So Radha Karavajita Pallava Ballari ki, Radha Padanka Vilasito Madhurastali ke. If you go Vrindavan, everywhere you can see the footprints of Srimati Radhika. Radha Padanka the Bhumi. Very nice, beautiful. If you go Vrindavan, you can see all the birds and what they are chanting, what they are doing. They are not chirping. What they are saying? Radhe, Radhe, Radhe. Kujata Kokila Hansa Sarsa Gana Kirino Mayura Kuli. Kujata Kokila Hansa Sarsa Gana Kirino Mayura Kuli. In Vrindavan, all the birds, please, chanting Radhe, Radhe, Radhe. Glorify Srimati Radhika. Or Radha Viharo Vipino Radha Radha Viharo Vipino Ramatang Manome. My mind always was roaming, wondering where the Srimati Radhika she performs sweet amorous pastimes with her beloved Krishna. My mind only thinking this, not other than this. Vrindavan. So just I also come back this way. Sanatana Goswami Pad told, this touchstone will give this money, but that is will give the distress and unhappiness. This is true or wrong? Are you happy in your material life or not? Raise one hand. Who is happy? No one. Raise a little bit. You little bit also happy. Otherwise, how possible to live in the matter? Understand? This is true. But we are not happy. Try to understand. But so Sanatana Goswami Pad told, actually I am chanting holy names. What is chanting? Holy names. Will you say what is that? Nama Chintamani Krishna Chaitanya Rasa Vigraha Purna Suddho Nitya Mukta Avinnatvat Nama Namino. Avinnatvat Nama Namino. There are no difference. Holy names and Sri Hari. Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, he told, you are chanting holy names, means direct you are meeting with Lord. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. You are meeting or not? You are meeting. But now your heart is completely contaminated with Maya. So you cannot realize. But regarding chanting holy names, then your heart will be neat and clean. Then we realize. In morning I told, राम नाम के साबुन से मन के धोए. You also clean your heart with the soap of Ram Naam. तुलसीदास सिंह, राम नाम के साबुन से मन के धोए. वेरी नाइस. राम नाम के साबुन से जो मन के मल छुड़ाएगा, निर्मल मन के दर्पण में वो राम का दर्शन पाएगा. हिंदी सामने, राम नाम के साबुन में जो मन के मल छुड़ाएगा, निर्मल मन के दर्पण में वो राम का दर्शन पाएगा. सीताराम 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 कहिए, सीताराम 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 कहिए. चाहे विधि राखे राम, चाहे विधि रहिए, सीताराम 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 कहिए. राधे श्याम राधे श्याम राधे श्याम कहिए, राधे श्याम राधे श्याम कहिए. राधे विधि राखे श्याम, राधे विधि कहिए, राधे विधि राखे श्याम, राधे श्याम राधे श्याम राधे श्याम कहिए, राधे श्याम राधे श्याम राधे श्याम कहिए. राधे विधि राखे श्याम, राधे विधि कहिए, राधे विधि राखे श्याम, राधे विधि कहिए. अभिमान जब विमान नहीं खाएगा, होगा प्यारे होई जो श्री राम जी के खाएगा. राधे श्याम राधे श्याम राधे श्याम कहिए, राधे श्याम राधे श्याम राधे श्याम. क्या तुलसीदास सही, राम नाम के साबुन से जो मन के मल छुड़ाएगा, और निर्मल मन के दर्पण में वह राम का दर्शन पाए. When our heart will be neat and clean, then we will take darshan to Lord. This is the process. So Sanatana Goswami Pad just taught these things also. Hey Brahmana, listen. Nama Chintamani, Krishna Chaitanya Rasa Vigraha, Purna Suddho Nitya Mukta, Avinnatvat Nama Nam. Holy name is Chintamani. Chant holy name, and holy name will fulfill all your desires. What do you want? Chant Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Holy name is powerful. So Nama Chintamani, Krishna Chaitanya Rasa Vigraha. Completely a conscious being. Check. Nama Chintamani Krishna Chaitanya Rasa Vigraha. Purna Suddha and Nitya Mukta. Completely free from all the Maya's gunas. Or Purna Suddha. Avinnatvat Nama Nami. If you chant holy name, you will give everything. Just with faith, we chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. You ask holy name will fulfill all your desires. Even your any material desires will come. Holy name first fulfill all your material desires. 100% guarantee. What do you want? Tell me. Honestly. What do you want? He's saying sadhu sangha. Sadhu coming in your house also. Automatically coming or not? Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, In our house, many sadhus coming also. 3 times sadhus coming in his house, in our house. Coming or not? Mangalarti, 30 devotees also in our house. Puja Mangala sadhu, all sadhus are coming or not?
Yeah.
Midday, Harikatha. 35 sadhu came. And now here also 50 sadhus also come. Sadhu Nandi. Your dear Lord will fill what you want. And sadhu Sangha. You are right. Sadhu Sangha. Lord will. That Brahmana they realize. Then you throw that stone in the water. Then you to give me holy name. Then he received, that Brahmana, he received Harinam. And performed bhajan sadhana Vrindavan. Because the human life is very, very rare. Try to understand. Durlabho manuso dehe dehinam khanavangura tatrapi durlabhang manne Vaikuntha Priya Darshanam. This human life is very, very rare, this is true. But more rare things, that is called get the association of sadhu. Sadhu Sangha. So, Durlabho Manuso Dehi. Dehinam Khandabangur, and this material body here, temporary. How long will you stay in this material world? No guarantee. Tomorrow will be, see, sunrise or not. Who can say? There are no guarantees. But your hope. This is your hope or not? When you are going to sleep on your bed, you also give the alarm in your clock. But you don't know. Tomorrow you will listen that.
Who's going to turn the alarm off?
Who will stop? This is true, but you hope everything will be. This. Sometimes saying this way. You are a small baby. Listen very carefully. I will give you the example of the faith. Vishwas. Take a small baby. Maybe 3 months, 4 months, 6 months, your baby, small baby. What are you doing? Taking your baby, what is it called? Throwing and dancing.
Catching.
And when you throwing your baby, baby not crying, baby also happy, laughing. Why baby is laughing? Baby have faith. My mother will catch me. Look, the faith. Balavindavan Vyari. Faith. You understand? Or if a mother little bit unbalanced his hand, then baby, then finish. Baby finish or not? But baby has faith. Or the baby also has. When he thrown up, baby, then baby, because baby has faith, my mother will catch me. That is the simple example. This example good or not? Faith. In the same way, all your faith. That means if you chant holy names with faith, from faith, then you will get everything also. This is the process. If you have no faith, if you nothing do, also chant holy names. Also, holy name will give the fruits. Give the fruits. Bolo Vrindavan Vyari. Naam Prabhu. Because Naam is Chintamani. Naam Chintamani, Krishna Chaitanya Rasa Vigraha. Knowingly, unknowingly, if you touch the fire burn your hand or not?
Yes.
In the same way, knowingly, unknowingly, anyhow, if you chant holy names, holy name will fulfill your desires. Well, how long will you chant holy names? Well, here this saying this, Sakrito Opi, Hilaya Sadhayava. If you have faith or without faith, we chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Madhuram Madhuram Ekad Mangala Mangalanam Sakala Nigavalli Satpalam Satti Sarupam Sakrito bhi Shraddhaya Hidayava. Yadi Sakrito bhi Shraddhaya Hidayava. Tarite Krishna. Bhiguvara Narava Tarite Krishna Nam. Here it is a Shraddha and Hila. With faith, Hila. Without faith, anyhow we chant holy name. Holy names will fulfill all your desires. Nam, how is powerful holy name? Nam Mahima, the glories of holy name. For this in the morning I told Lord, in this Kali Yuga, Lord invested all his potency in his holy name. Hari se vara Hari ka naam. So for the Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu recited second verse of Sikshastra. Nam namatari vauda nija sarva sakti sravarvita nimita smaranena kalo etadrishi tava kripa bhagavan mayopi Durdaiva yedrisha ajano nanurag. Don't forget the first sloka. Hold this. Again I will remind you. Cheto darpana marjanam. Everybody do. Clean your heart. This is as like your mirror of heart. Hidayat darpan. What is this? Symbol of mirror of heart. Hidayat darpan. And now you cannot see. If you go to the hospital and open, then you will see. But you cannot see.
Open
But now this is simple. Cheto darpana marjanam. Take the cloth. Cheto darpana marjanam. Bhava maha davagni nirvapanam. Shreya kairava chandrika vitaranam. Vidya vadhu jivanam. Anandam buddhi vardhanam. Pratipadam puramrita asadanam. Sarva atma snapanam. Param vijayate Shri Krishna. Second verse. Nam namakari bahudan nija sarva sakti starvitam mitasmaranana kalam etadri tava kripa bhagavan mama yopi durdaiva dishajano nanurag. Trinadapi sunichena Karoriva Sahisuna Amarina Manavena Kirtanya Sadari. Fourth sloka. Nam Nadhanang Najanang Sundaring Kavitang Va Jagadish Kamaye Mama Janma Janmanesari Bhavata Bhakti Ahituki Tayi. Oi Nanda Tanujang Tinkaram Paditang Mang Bhak Vishamvidim. Oi Nanda Tanuja Kinkaram Paditang Mang Bhave Vishamvidi. मुझे भी बुला दे तो हाँ हाँ इसको देखो हाँ ओई नंदत Oi Nanda Tanuja Kinkarang Paditang Mang Visame Bhavam Buddhu Kripaya Tava Pada Pankaja स्थितधूलि सदीशं विचिन्तया नयनं तवश्रुधारय वदनं गदगदौ दया गिरा पुलार्कैर्निजितं बपूतवा कदा नाम ग्रहणे भविष्यति Then Jugayita Nivesanam Chakkhusha Pabrishayitam Sunnaitam Jagata Sarvam Govindam Virahe Name. This is very nice. Aslishabam Padaratan Pinaskrumam Mam Mat Adarsanat Maramahatam Karotu Va Jata Tatha Vagdadhatu Lampato Saprananapa Ipastu. It's nice. You learn this verse, understand the meaning of the verse, then automatically a switch mood automatically manifest in your heart. Otherwise, nothing. So I'm saying this way. This is holy name, the glories of holy names. How is very powerful. So I am why saying because Sanatana Goswami Pad, he told all these things. They're the Brahmana. I am chanting holy name these days. Holy name will give. Everything will be. Nama Brahma. Sabda Brahma, transcendental vibration. Sabda Brahma. Not material things. Two types of sound. One is called material sound, and another is called transcendental sound, vibration. Holy name chanting, holy name, the transcendental vibration. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Balavrindavan Vihari Lal ki. So now I will not take too much of your time. So, now also the Toruni, she has come from Holland, and she showed to us very nice, beautiful dance. Which one? Govinda Damo Dharma. So please make one place for us in the middle, por favor, please, and come just two sides. Where are you? Or just a little bit. Move.
Yeah.
Take the mic.
Hare Krishna, everyone. If we just move to our actual side of the room, that you can dance.
This way. राम नाम के सावन में जो मन के मल छुड़ाएगा, निर्मल मन के दर्पण में.
Tinha também isso tudo, algumas coisinhas. Que coisa? This family. This is hay un control dentro de esta canasta.
El control es allá.
Control. Prabhu, Krishna Balaram. Eu pude colocar aqui.
Como é que é?
Vai colocar no, eu vou colocar aqui. Eu vou colocar aqui. É melhor na caixa de som. Eu vou colocar no início, né? Do começo de novo.
What do you need the mic? The mic?
Yes.
The mic? She needs the mic.
Quando for, você. When you're ready, let us know so that
Introduction.
Okay, that's okay.
Krishna Krishna Bhaktai Bhaktai Namo Namah Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Saraswati Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama Rama Hare Hare Krishna. Dear devotees, tonight I'll perform a dance on the Kirtan Govinda Damodara Madhaviti. A gopi churning the butter. She thinks of Krishna. She's so much absorbed in her love that she thinks he's right behind her. With a choked voice, she says, Govinda Damodara Madhaviti, Govinda Damodara Madhaviti. A lady cleaning her garden. She says, Oh Krishna, please come play in my garden. With a choked voice, she says, Govinda Damodara Madhaviti, Govinda Damodara Madhaviti. Mother Yashoda, she comes to wake up Krishna. She said, Oh enchanter, open your eyes. Your friends, they're waiting outside. Come, come. Govinda Damodara Madhaviti, Govinda Damodara Madhaviti. Govinda Damodara Madhaviti, Govinda Damodara Madhaviti. The scholars, absorbed in their studies, and the merchants, they're immersed in getting money, and they're all singing Govinda Damodara Madhaviti, Govinda Damodara Madhaviti. A gopi going to milk the cows, and to the rhythm of the milk squirting, she sings Govinda Damodara Madhaviti, Govinda Damodara Madhaviti. A pujari going to the temple to do the arati and serve the deities, and then he sings Govinda Damodara Madhaviti, Govinda Damodara Madhaviti. A mother going to put her baby asleep, she puts the blanket and absorb the love, she sings Govinda Damodara Madhaviti, Govinda Damodara Madhaviti. But then the baby starts crying in the crib. She goes to the baby and says, Oh baby, don't cry. Sing with me the names of Sri Hari. Govinda Damodara Madhaviti, Govinda Damodara Madhaviti. A bride, she comes to wake her husband. She says, Are you still sleeping? No, wake up and time to glorify the names of Sri Hari. Govinda Damodara Madhaviti, Govinda Damodara Madhaviti. Govinda Damodara Madhaviti, Govinda Damodara Madhaviti. Now I'll start the dance.
Oh my God. Okay.
Pull the wire out. Pull the wire out.
That's it. It's okay? It's okay? 1, 2, 3.
कृष्ण हे यादव हे सकेती गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति तारे मथानी ददिने किसीने ताबे ध्यानायो दधि चोर करी गदा गदा कंता पुकारती है गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति हे पति अंगन नारी कोय गोविंद आगे मंगी अकेले या राष्ट्र में यही पदकार ही है गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति माता यशोदा हरि को जगाए जागो तुमो गननैन खोलो द्वारे खड़े काला बुला रही है गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति विद्यानुरागी निज पुस्तकों में अर्थानुरागी धन संचयों में यही निराली ध्वनिकार ही है गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति एक करो में दोहरी अनोखी गौरव करे अबलान देवी गौरव धारा संगार ही है गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति जागे पुजारी हरि मंदिरों में जागे जगावे हरि को सवेरे हे शिर संतो अवनेत खोलो गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति सोया किसी का सुख पालने में दौड़ी करो से जब खींचती है गावे ममता उसने पुकारा गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति सोया किसी का सुख पालने में ओ प्रेम मग्न उसने पुकारा रोवो न गवो प्रभु संग मेरे गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति ओए नाविले पति को जगावे प्राणेश जागो अब निंद त्यागो बेला यही है हरि कीर्त गाओ गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति राधे 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 जय जय श्री राधे 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 जय जय श्री राधे 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 जय जय श्री राधे 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 जय जय श्री
Very nice. Thank you. Very nice. Jai Jai. presentation, I think also you do. All of Balvacharyas. That's Madhura Ashtakam next time. Okay? Here, that is also very nice. Thanks. What is there? Another? You have time? Can do another? Which one? Kishori Meru Angana.
If you send me the song, we can put it. Ok. Gente, será que podemos poner outra?
Claro! Aqui.
É mais para isso. É outra. Envia para mim. Send me, yeah.
E que daí vem para mim e eu boto.
Yeah, we can go part
But myself,
I put in hair and listen here.
Maybe I can name the phone here on YouTube.
YouTube.
We can
YouTube
search
or Spotify?
This is Spotify.
Spotify?
yeah, if you search.
You can share, you can It's okay now?
गोपी की जय।